Good morning, good people of the internet. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and amazing as usual, and welcome back to my channel once again. So, today is going to be a big day because we are going to be traveling for the first time in 2022. So, yeah, I'm pretty excited. Our first travel of 2022. We're not going anywhere very special, we are just going to Kolkata, but yeah, a vlog banta hai, so I'm making this vlog and nothing much. I'll just take you through my day as usual. uh, I'll bore you maybe, but that makes no sense at all. But I would very much love it if you subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get started with the day. The day is very beautiful today. It's a little bit windy. I can feel the summer is just on its way. So yeah, let's go get started. Look at the halat of my room. I have to pack all of this, and I'm going to take my laptop because I'll be working. Work is never off for us. So laptop, mouse, calculator. Okay, I have charged my earphones, so this will go as well. I will need something to read on the train, my work journal. This is going to be carrying all the chargers and all the ports and everything. And what else do I need? Yeah, I need pen. Of course I need pens, but that's all. And over here, this is going to be my purse. This is my makeup pouch and stuff, and all like this makeup pouch and all of those stuffs is going to be going inside this.
6 hours later.
So this is like it's 6:30 right now, and our train is at 7, so we will leave for the station right now. Come with us. We have so much luggage, you guys. I cannot
Hold me
explain.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go.
The next day.
So it's 6:30 right now, and we are about to reach Kolkata. So we just woke up early, and we're just getting our things in place, packing things up and stuff. So yeah, we'll reach there soon.
Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second, there is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you, go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be your rocket. Hey, fly. So what have you been sitting there and thinking all this time?
So I am finally here in Kolkata, and I'm at my home right now, and I'm very tired. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, take care, stay safe. Do subscribe to my channel, please, and yeah, stay happy as usual. Bye.
Right.